Santa Doug, how are you, my friend?
Hey, Stuart.
We've got a few questions on different things North Pole representatives can wear. Do you have a moment?
Sure.
Alright, here's our first question. What events and activities would it be appropriate to not wear a fur trim suit to?
Well, I think, Stuart, there's probably a lot of different outfits out there that you could use a non-fur suit on. One of them would be, in my opinion, any type of attire that you do, like a Christmas in July type situation where, wearing a full-fledged traditional suit with fur down the front would be way too hot. I have other outfits that I could wear, including like a workshop apron. If we're doing a toy shop scenario with a photographer, that would be certainly a situation where you wouldn't need to wear a coat. But what may be appropriate there would be just to wear knickers and a boot and maybe your kind of puffy Santa shirt along with an apron.
Alright, question 2. What select clothing items would you suggest to buy to start expanding one's wardrobe?